One of the greatest mystics of the world, Rumi, says, "What you seek is seeking you." This video is created with two main goals. First, to help you disconnect from the busy world and connect you to the peaceful sounds of nature. Second, to provide you with random messages from holy books and great mystics of the world. Perhaps they hold a sign for you to help you prepare for a good night's sleep and the day ahead. For the best experience, we suggest you close your eyes and listen. If thoughts come to you, try not to pay attention or fight with them. Just guide your focus back to the sound of the sea. If you enjoy these types of videos that offer peace and spiritual guidance, please give a like and subscribe. Wishing you a peaceful night. The soul is never born, nor does it ever die, nor having once existed does it ever cease to be. The soul is without birth, eternal, everlasting, and ageless. O tranquil soul, return to your Lord, well pleased and pleasing to Him, and enter among my servants and enter my paradise. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. The softest things in the world overcome the hardest things in the world. If this video resonated with you and brought a moment of peace, please share that feeling with us. Your feedback is our greatest motivation to continue this.